After insulting comments by Jair Bolsonaro drove the Cuban doctors out of Brazil, many have come to their defense. Current and former students of Cuban medical schools highlight how thousands of health professionals graduate every year in Cuba, with many students coming from abroad. Let's find out more on this story.
About 100 kilometers from Havana lies the city of Matanzas, where one of the country's 25 medical universities is located. Medical students participate in local healthcare from the first year of their studies.
We need to have a community-based approach if we want to achieve sustainable development goals. It is only through communities that quality of life can be improved, especially with healthcare, as it is stated in the World Health Organization guidelines.
The university has students hailing from over 40 countries. Brazilian Mauricio Brito studies here and says the criticism of Brazil's president-elect Jair Bolsonaro about the professionalism of Cuban doctors is completely unfounded.
I disagree with his criticism about the professional abilities of Cuban doctors. The training is very good here. We study preventive medicine and have practical classes from the very first year.
This is the same academic and practical training that the thousands of doctors who are being recalled by the Cuban government from Brazil have received.
It's true that the returning doctors are now more than just doctors. They gain incredible experiences, not just medical, but human experiences that made them much more than just doctors. They went to remote places that never had access to healthcare before.
In Cuba, over 45,000 doctors from 115 countries have been trained in the medical field. Cuba also offers internationally renowned training for more than 60 different medical specialities.